Hey everyone, we have a few renovations coming up, so we want to see if everyone here is on the same page. What would you like to change?
Well, okay, so in here,
I don't know. I'm probably gonna keep asking what they said.
Well, I feel like when you come in, you can't really see what's going on in here. It's pretty tight space. So one thing we would like to get rid of the boob light.
obviously it would be nice to get a new light fixture, maybe make the ceiling a little bit higher.
Raise the ceiling.
The ceiling needs a little lightening up, doesn't it?
Lightening up, yeah,
And
maybe a raise.
fixture. There's ductwork and there's probably a reason it's like this. I don't know.
Drywall, maybe a window here. Trying to get some more natural light in.
Maybe drywall, maybe wood.
Ooh.
I would like to get rid of the wood in here and this as well.
I love these doors. These are really awesome. Do you like them?
I like the doors.
Yeah, they're quarter sawn oak.
We really like these doors, so we're going to keep the doors.
And then when you come in here, there's a lot going on. A lot of different wood finishes. It's a little distracting to the eye, I would say.
Get rid of this.
Out here needs a bit of a facelift. People come in and they're like, oh, it's charming. So what I picture in here is doing something with the ceiling. Like this, they don't want to get rid of the ceiling, do they?
Old tin ceiling. Really, I feel like they're a timeless kind of thing, and we want to keep that.
We're going to keep the tin ceiling, but we're going to paint it.
What color?
To be determined.
So I'm struggling with the vibe.
This tin ceiling, I was thinking maybe black or white.
Either white, the same color as the drywall, when we pick that color, or like a dark black or something.
Maybe like a monochrome vibe in here.
Yep, that's the vibe.
We will be getting this fireplace, getting rid of it, just because we'll be moving a desk into that zone.
Maybe like a desk. We don't need that fireplace.
We're gonna get rid of this.
Move this. People do say, is that ever neat? But
Yeah, like it's a cool visual,
yeah.
but it also blocks off a lot.
Yeah, well like this is just, I don't know what that's all about.
And then this kitchen area, I mean, again, it's distracting, right?
Yeah, and closed off.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we have
A monkey.
Ophelia, monkey. This is a hardwood flooring showroom, so we don't necessarily need this much of a kitchen. So thinking just a little like coffee bar area for customers and for staff would be nice.
We're just gonna update the cabinetry, get rid of the glass. Make more of like a coffee bar situation than a full-on kitchen. So again, we're thinking of doing cabinets with an arch in the center and some fun tile in the background.
I know she wants something insane like some arches and a bunch of cabinets and a whole bunch of stuff.
But getting rid of the rest of it.
Problem is, I never appreciated this that much until I started making meat. I just want to share it with the world. Look. Do you just want to bite it?
Yeah, I do. I want to eat it.
That's like so beautiful. I want to cry a little bit. I don't know, like if we get rid of all this and make it more open and have just a little bit over here, I won't be able to prep my meat. I'll have to find a new meat spot.
That's true.
Which is kind of a dilemma that they've probably not thought through. My mind is always on the meat. I got the meat on my mind.
Oh my God.
But yeah, this is a little dated. I agree with them. My favorite part of this whole room is the map.
We'll probably move this map that we love so much. We'll move it in this room as well.
They don't want to get rid of the map, do they?
No.
Okay, well...
Maybe a relocation of the map, I think.
Well, I don't know. The map placement is perfect. So you go through with people, and you come out, and then here's where we're at the end, and you're saying goodbye, and you're shaking hands, and you give them a card, wooden business card.
Wow.
And they're like, oh, that's cool. And then they say, do you deliver to Toronto? And then you're like, yeah, actually, we deliver to all these places. And then they're like, whoa, no way. And then they buy a floor.
Yep, that's how it goes.
So you can't get rid of the map. You know what? Maybe the map will go right here. Did they say that?
They did.
Okay, well then we're on the same page.
Any plans for the bathroom?
Yeah, so come on in. It's not very big in here, so a little bit hard to
A little bit cramped.
decide what to do. Again, like the ceiling is dark, just brighten things up, so some drywall and
A pink toilet.
a pink toilet? I don't know. Maybe an updated tile on the floor. The floor's looking a little.
There's not a whole lot we can do in here, so maybe just some drywall,
Some drywall.
maybe a different sink, different. I don't know. It's not that bad.
Emma had some words.
Yeah. Well, you know what? She always has words.
We're gonna replace that floor too.
Nice. That's a big project we have coming up.
Just like a little bit of a project.
A little bit.
If budget allows.
Yes.